Hey friends, let's jump straight into this awesome song, and with this lesson we'll cover all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for guitar 1, we're going to play the E power chord 2 times, then back to the D power chord 2 times. Then we're palm muting the open E 4 times, and it'll always be the open E we're palm muting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then play the D power chord 2 times. The second time slide back to C and play the C again. Palm muting on the open E again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now do the C 2 times. Slide up the second time and play the D again. Our 4 palm mutes on the open E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then do the same from D up to E. So 2 times, slide up and again on the E. Do the 4 palm mutes again. Then we're going back to the start, but we're going to put the slide in the first one. So E again, slide back to D, D, and then the rest stays the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's guitar 1 for the intro. Now let's have a look at the little solo. So we're using these octave chords. Start on the A 7th fret onto the G 9th fret. We're muting the D string. Play it once, slide up 2 frets to 9 and 11. Play that again, do 2 mutes, again 2 mutes, again 2 mutes, again 2 mutes, then just go up 1 fret to 10 and 12, and we're doing the same. 2 mutes, 2 mutes, 2 mutes, 2 mutes, then we're going up to 12 and 14 and doing the same again. Now this time do the 12 and the 14, slide up to 14 and 16, play that once, then we're doing these harmonics, 12th fret on the B 2 times, 12th fret on the E once, then go back to the 7th fret on the E, and just come in with your bar there. And they're all the parts to the intro. So for our verse, we're just going to play the E power chord with no palm mute 2 times. Then we're palm muting all this part here, the D power chord 2 times, to our open E 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, the D 2 times, back to the C 2 times, open E 4 times, then C 2 times to the D 2 times, open E again 4 times, then the D 2 times up to the E 2 times, open E, palm muting 4 times. Then we're just repeating that again, all with palm mutes. Our E to the D, D to C, C to D again, D to E. This time just do 2 palm mutes on the open E, play a G power chord, then just play the 2nd fret on the E, mute the A and play the open D and G. Play the D power chord 2 times and slide up to the E on the second one. Then we're basically going back to the intro riff again, except we do 3 palm mutes on the E, 1, 2, 3, and we're going from the D back to the C. Palm mutes to the C up to the D. Palm mutes, D up to E. E back to D. D back to C. C back to D. D back to E. So just play that E, slide up, and then we play the E, D, C, then play 2nd fret on the A, open D, play an A power chord to a D power chord, and they're all the parts to the verse there. So for our chorus we just start with a G chord, then play E string 3, 2, open. On the D string play the 2nd fret G on the 4th fret, then go back to 2D and G, back to 2D, 4 Gs. Palm mute the open A to 2nd fret A, then play a C power chord, back to an E power chord and do our little 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4 again. Then play open E, 2nd fret E, the G again, and we're starting again. E string 3, 2, open, our 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4. Palm mute the open A, 2nd fret A. This time play the C power chord, then the D power chord, play it again and slide up to E, and do the E 2 more times. And they're all the parts to the chorus. So for our little post-chorus, guitar 1 just goes back to the intro again and plays it through once, and guitar 2 similar, we're just going to change the harmonics at the end so that we play that for you. So the first part is all the same. Now slide up. Now the harmonics are 12 on the B, 12 on the E 2 times, back to 12 B, 12 E, and then 7 on the E. And that's our post-chorus. So our second verse is the same, we're just not palm muting the first part of our power chord, so it's just... And the rest of the verse stays exactly the same. From there we go back to the chorus and that stays the same as well. So guitar 1 for our bridge, we're just playing the E power chord, back to the D, to the C, then come back again, C, D, and E. Do that 2 times. And guitar 2 is just playing the 9 on the G, 7, 5, then just 5, 7, 9. And we do that through 2 times. And that's our bridge there. So for our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, it's still the same as our second verse. We have the E back to the D, our palm muting, D to C, palm muting, C to D, D to E. And we do that through 2 times. The second time we're going to the chorus, or similar to the chorus, we go from that D up to the E, 4 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, then do another 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to play the G chord, then just the open E, our second fret on the D, 4 and the G, back to 2, D and G, back to 2 and 4, palm mute the open A to second fret, our C power chord, then to the E string, 3, 2, open. This time with the fill, play 2 and 4, 2 and 2, and then do 2 and 4 2 times. Play the open E, second fret E, the G chord, open E string, our fill again, open A, second fret A, C, and just finish on an E power chord there. And that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then we have our next verse, and it's the same as our first verse. The only change is one of the chords on our run down. We have the E, D, C. Now instead of just playing second fret on the A and open D, play second fret A, open D, open G, third fret B and E. Then to the A and the D, and all the rest stays the same. So let me just talk you through this outro chorus. It's nearly exactly the same. We have our G, E string 3-2 open, our little fill on D and G, our A open 2 to our C, to our E, our fill, open E second fret G, E string 3-2 O, our fill, open A second fret A, C, then go open E and our fill again. Then we're going to go open E, second fret E, and then we're just repeating the first chorus again from there. And there are all the rhythm parts. Now let's do the solo. So we're starting on the open B, hammer onto 5, hammer onto 7, do a half bend on the 7, just play 7, half bend on the 7, play 7, then start with the bend up and a release, do 5, hammer onto 7, 5 on the G, then jump to 10 on the D, G, 9, B, 7, 8, 10, 10, E, 7, back to B, 10, 8, then do 7, hammer onto 8, pull off the 7, play 8, and then back to 5. Then we're staying on the B, play 12B, 12E, do a half bend on the 14, so similar to the intro, play 14, half bend, 14, then release the bend. This time do 12, hammer onto 14, pull off the 12, play 13 on the B. Again we're going to play 10, D, 9, G, 7, B, 8, 10, 7 on the E, back to the B, 8, 7, then to 9 on the G, slide up, then we're going to bend 17 on the E, then just release the bend to a half bend, back to the bend, and we're doing that 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're doing 15, pull off the 14 on the E, B, 17, 15, back to 14 E, 16 on the G. Then do a rake down the strings and bend the 19, a tone and a half here on the E. Then just play 17, B, 20, back to E, 17, back to B, 20, 19, 17. Then we're bending 22 on the E. Let it come down and play 22 2 more times. Then to finish off, play 20, 19, 17 2 times. Then do it again, hammer onto 19, pull off to 17, slide back to 15. And then 15, hammer onto 17, pull off to 15, slide back to 12. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Breaking the Chains Guitar Lesson by Dokken. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.